This
How are you?
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Hi, Sandeep. Myself, I'm Seshu here. I have a total, I'm a trainer, SAP FICO trainer. And I have a more than 17 years experience in support project, implementation, rollout, the migration projects. So overall, I have a 17. Then in SAP, I have a 14 years. The training, mostly most of the time, I'm taking trainings online only. I have a training experience more than 5 years. Okay. And I can take up the interviews, interview as well. I'm an interview panel member. So this is my background. Can you please introduce yourself, Sandeep?
Yes, I'm Sandeep. I just recently finished my bachelor's in business management. Looking to go more into finance, so that's why I'm starting to do this SAP FICO. I don't have any actual experience initially with SAP, so yeah. Hello, are you
Okay.
able to hear me?
Yeah, got it. Thanks, Sandeep. Yeah. Okay, fine. So do you have any a computer experience, any something, or you just recently you completed, right?
Yeah, in terms of ERPs, I don't have any experience. In
Okay.
terms of
But
other stuff,
any
I have
other computer,
coding experience and
any
stuff like that.
okay, any other background experience other than SAP, non-SAP, non-ERP.
I have some experience in Python coding,
Okay.
uh, and then HTML coding as well.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay, fine. Let me do the things here. Yeah, just let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay. Yeah, basically, I'll give a training, and along with we'll provide you recording, and also we'll provide the pre-printed a soft copy of material also. So again, no need to make a note anything. Everything is there in the document. Just you need to carefully you need to listen the class, and then you need to do the practice also. If you do the practice, mostly FICO, it's a vast syllabus. If you do the practice daily without missing any topic, mostly I'll take one topic, small topic, one day, then I'll finish it, and then I'll hand over the recording along with material also. So same way, whatever we do in the SAP system, either configuration or customization, any report generation, same way we will do it in SAP in screen sharing. Along with, we'll provide the material also. So if you regularly, if you follow my instructions, if you follow my notes and all, then definitely you will more comfortable. You will get an clarity and get an a more idea also in SAP, how SAP will work, how we can generate the report, how we can uh, work on in real time scenario also. We'll provide detailed real time scenario also. Okay. So first
Hmm.
day, maybe I think I'll go through PPT, what is the purpose of learning SAP, and what is the main concept. Those details maybe I'll go through in SAP PPT. Just let me know if you have any doubt or anything. Just will whatever you don't feel anything doubt. Maybe either it is small or anything. Just you can stop and ask me the question.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. See here objectives. In SAP, mostly we will cover up overview of SAP, basic accounting principles, introduction to SAP FI. Here, if you observe this diagram, mostly it is covered all the SAP related modules, like R3 related, all the modules you can see in this diagram. Basically, we have a functional modules. There are in SAP we have a functional and then technical module. Basically, technical modules are either ABAP and BASIS and PI. These are all related to technical modules. When we come to functional, like FI is a financial, which is on a financial side. Controlling also one module, which is a controlling, and AM, which is an asset management. Also, we will cover these three, like financial accounting, controlling, and fixed asset, which is a fixed asset management. And other modules like PS project system, it's a separate module which generally you can see in real time scenario, like a PS, like a consultant will be there. PS person will be taking care of PS related things. And the workflow, are you getting any background voice? Hello, Sandeep?
Yes, a little, but not too bad.
Okay, just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Huh? I'll
Okay.
move to other place. Just give me 1 minute. Hey, Sandeep, sorry for that. Okay, is that okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. See, like here, main purpose of knowing all these modules, because all the modules are integrated, like one module is integrated to other module. So that is the reason, like SAP's main purpose of the main objective, main benefit is like integration only. Lot of integration related one module to other module, like FI to CO, and then FI to asset management. Also, there is integration. Integration is nothing but it's a link between one module to other module. Same way, like a finance is integrated or connection between FI to SD and FI to MM and FI to PP and quality management, plant maintenance, HR. These are all like all the modules which generally you can see in real time scenario where we have any project, real time project and all. Basically, like FI people definitely they will look, they will concentrate on FI and C and asset management. Okay, so here like SAP abbreviation, like SAP, like abbreviation is like SAP stands for System Application and Products and Data Processing. So, like here the abbreviation itself like System Application and Products and Data Processing. Here like we need to have a system, like it's an organization. We need to apply and then we will get the results. That is a main objective of SAP means like a system is a organization. Any organization they have to apply some rules or regulations or whatever, then we will get the product results. That is an so abbreviation. FI stands for financials, CO stands for controlling, and right now like version, currently we are using latest version is S4 HANA, but somehow like uh, prior to S4 HANA version is ECC 6. So maybe like we will cover ECC and then S4 HANA, both we will cover in our training, because what changes are there in ECC and what changes are available in S4 HANA. Both we will compare and we will explain it to you. Like if you go, like if you attend any interview also, they might be asking like what difference between ECC and S4 HANA. Then we can cover up and then we can explain it to the interviewer. Okay. ECC stands for ERP Central Component. ERP Central Component. SAP first, the release first, it was found in 1972. The main headquarters is Germany. Like it is a Germany people, like three members. They have they have found out. They have a like released first version. SAP first version in 1972. What is ERP? Again, like ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is integrated all functions in one system. Enterprise means organization, resource. Like every organization, we have a different resources like finance, material, like sales related resources, and money, material, all the resources. Like every organization, there are many resources are available. Those resources we need to utilize applying proper planning. The main purpose of ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise is nothing but organization or company. Resource, like the company which has resources, either money or men, machinery, or whatever resources is available. We need to utilize proper planning. Also, ERP is integrated all function in one single system. Again, the main purpose is integration. Integration, like FI is a separate module, is a separate module, SD is a separate module, like it department we can say. These are all departments is integrated or connection between one module to one department to another department in one single system, so that we can get the information easily. And whenever we require any information, we can get either FI or or SD, any modules. Any doubt? Anything? Hope
No,
you are
no
following
questions
me.
though. Yeah,
Yeah, hope
keep
you are.
going.
Yeah. Okay. So purchase department, like a purchase department, like if you take any organization, definitely you can see this different departments like purchase department, stores department, production department, account department. These are like a in general terminology, like domain terminology, non-SAP terminology like purchase department, stores department, production department, and accounts department. When you come to SAP, purchase department is nothing but it's a material management department. Stores department is nothing but it's a warehouse management, SAP WM. Production department, it's a production planning, and accounts department, it's a FICO. These are all, it's a domain terminology. Always we need to compare with between domain terminology and terminology, that we need to understand. We'll have a number of departments in organization. ERP integrate all the functions into one single system. The same thing again. Like all department in organization, like these are all departments are available in one organization, and all it is integrated all the function into one single system. It will facilitate free flow of data among the departments. Like here, the data will be transported or imported or flown from one department to another department. The main purpose, main benefit, always we need to discuss about integration. Main purpose of ERP is SAP ERP is integration. So maybe we'll go little bit SAP terminology again. Client, common client roles. Client is nothing but every software, either SAP or non-SAP or whatever software. If you consider any software, definitely you can see minimum three clients are there, three systems are there. Those three systems are internally connected between one to one. Connection means like it will data flow from dev to quality, quality to production. There is a synchronization or there is a connection between one client to other client. So mostly like you can see three clients. One is development client, quality client, production client, or else development system, quality system, production system. Three SAP systems will be there in real time scenario. So if you want to make any changes, definitely we won't do directly in production. Always we need to do development. We will do the small testing. If it is working, then we will move the changes to quality. In a quality, we will make some testing. Like business people will do the testing, whether the requirement is working or not. Let's take there is a requirement. Business requested to generate one financial report. They want to, instead of horizontal, they want to like some other different format they want. Okay. For in that case, the report needs to be developed in development system. So that is the reason it is a development system. Develop configuring of client settings and creation of new functionality. This system is configuring of client settings and creation of new functionality. And functionality testing and verification of configuration. Here quality is for testing. Either the report which we developed, whether it is working or not, we need to verify. The verification will be done by business people, testing people they do. If it is working fine, then the changes will be moved to production in the real time scenario. They can generate the report or they can utilize the system. Productive activities and business data purpose production system will be utilized. Here, do you have any doubt or any confusion?
No, no confusion.
Okay. That's again same here, like correction and transport, like whatever you do, corrections or any changes, like a development, there is a program A, program A, screen A, something we have developed. And then these three data will be export and import into quality system. We will check whether that all the data is available in this system. Then we'll export and then import into production system. This is the process in real time scenario. Now we'll go for a little bit to have a accounting like a concept. Do you have any accounting concept? Since you completed MBA, right?
Yes.
MBA
No,
finance.
I finished BBA finance.
Okay, you completed BBA.
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine. Then I think you have a accounting knowledge, right? Like profit and loss account, balance sheet statement, financial statements, and all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here, accounting principle, basic accounting principles. FICO mostly like always, it's depending on basic accounting principles only. Like here, you have a like a mainly like we have a three accounts. We can remember like there are we don't have a many accounts. We have only three accounts only. We have accounting principle. These three accounts only will follow the rules and regulations. So first one personal account, second one is real account, third one is nominal account. We have a total three accounts are there in finance. Like every transaction posting, every entry, every business activity, these three accounts will be involved any transactions. So here personal accounting, as per personal accounting principle, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver. Personal means persons. X name, Y name, Sandeep, Shishu, or Ramana, or whatever. Those like always this accounting principle, we should not think about myself individually. Always we need to think of company perspective, company point of view only. As per company point of view, if company deals, if company do the any business activity with persons, then in the books of entry of company, the entry debit the receiver, credit the giver. Let's take I am a business, I am writing entries. Like if I receive anything, then debit the receiver. Sandeep giver. So as per the Sandeep account debit, what he is going to give something money. So then Sandeep account data to cash account as per the entry. Okay. Receiver, always we need to think about company point of view. So we will receive company point of view. Sorry, here I think small confusion. So debit the receiver and credit the giver. Now Sandeep is giving the cash. Then giver is Sandeep. Sandeep account data to cash account. So real
Sorry,
account.
sorry to interrupt. You got cut out there for a second.
Yeah. Okay. See here, like you are paying amount to company. You are paying company. You are paying amount to company. Let's take you are paying amount. Okay. So now you are a giver. Now you are a giver. So Sandeep is credited. What he is giving? Cash. Cash account is debited. Credit account is name. It will come. Suppose
Okay.
if you receive amount from the organization, then organization will write the entry Sandeep account data to cash account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next one, real account. So as per real account, all real account is nothing but it's a fixed assets. All assets related items will come under real account. Hope you know the assets, right?
Yes.
Machinery, laptop, computers, all it comes under real accounts. So as per real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So debit what comes in. If you purchase or if you receive any asset, then laptop account data. What goes out? If you want to receive a laptop, then definitely you need to something will go out, which is cash. So laptop account data to cash account credit. Nominal account. So nominal account, all expenses and losses is debited, all incomes and gains is credited. Nominal accounting principle is all expenses and losses, all incomes and gains. So expense or loss will be debited, all incomes and gains are credited. So here you can see
Mm-hmm.
the right side, you have examples also. Sales to customer. Let's take there is a sales activity. Sales to customer. So when you do the sales, customer will receive. So customer account data, what you are selling, some item or anything, sales account is credited. It's a nominal account. So as per nominal account, all incomes and gains are credited. Here debit customer account, personal account is receiver. Customer is receiving and all incomes and gains, sales is a income. So it is credited. Cash receipt from customer. Let's say cash receipt from customer. Then real account and personal account. Here cash, we company is receiving cash, which is a what comes in as per real account. Bank account is debited. Credit customer personal account. Who is giving? Customer is giving. So customer is credited. Rent paid. Rent is a all expenses. Here rent is an expenses. All expenses and losses is debited. What it's a nominal account. And then what we are paying, cash will go out as per real account. What goes out? Cash will go out. Then credit bank account. Maybe I think I'll forward this PPT. Still, you can refer one more time with peace mind. And then since you have a background of finance, right? So I don't think
Mm-hmm.
so any confusion here. So if you have any confusion, just refer this one and you can refer and then you come back tomorrow. If you have any doubt, again we'll discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Next one is purchase machinery. Like when you purchase machinery, machinery is an asset. Like
Mm-hmm.
what comes in, machinery is debited and purchased from creditor giver. Here some person is giving that machinery. So then machinery account data to vendor account. If you are paying cash, then it is a cash account. If you are not paying now, then it is a vendor account. Basic accounting principles. Okay. Then we will move on to SAP terminology. It is a domain terminology, domain related process which we discuss. But mostly like it is not that much we will always think about debit what, credit what in while doing in SAP. But somehow if you have a clarity, then if anything goes wrong, then you can easily we can identify by referring these accounting principles. That's one financial accounting. So financial accounting provides integrated online real-time functionality for processing, recording, and maintaining the financial accounting transaction for internal and external reporting purpose. So financial accounting basically we use for reporting purpose and generating real-time functionality and recording, maintaining, generating the financial reports, legal reportings purpose we use financial accounting. SAP Finance provides the following benefits. Management of all accounting data, like manage the all accounting data, like GL side, ER, AP, all the account related data can be managed in SAP FI. And open and integrated data flow, like how data will be open and integrated one module to another module also can be find out in SAP Finance. Preparation of operational information to assist strategic decision making within the organization. The purpose of finance is to take the decision. Definitely management, they can take, they have some profit or loss specific quarter. Let's take this quarter, they have a less margin compared to last quarter. Then they can compare like where is the problem, where is the issue, where is we increase the expenses, where it reduce the profit. That we can identify by referring financial reporting. And FI concept. So again, we have like a concept of FI. Like in SAP, we will discuss about what is fiscal year, posting period, document type, account type, document number ranges. So basically, fiscal year is nothing but it's a organization or company calendar year or fiscal year. So companies, some companies they follow calendar year, and some companies they follow non-calendar. Let's take some like countries. Indian countries mostly they follow non-calendar year, which they start business in March month, April month, and then they close the business in March month. Let's take US. Mostly US companies, US projects mostly they start their business in January month and they close the business in December month. So it is in a calendar year or non-calendar year. Depending on company to company, we need to set up the fiscal year because some companies they follow calendar year, some companies non-calendar year. Which calendar year they are following, based on that we need to maintain it. Hello, Sandeep?
Yeah, sorry, I accidentally pressed something and left the call.
Okay. No problem. Hope you understood, right? Like fiscal year.
Yeah, fiscal year, I understood.
Yeah, fiscal year and then posting period. So again here posting period, SAP has provided posting period concept which is like a January to December, 12 posting periods. Also in real time scenario, we won't open. There is a open and close posting activity because system will not allow posting feature period or previous period. Always system will allow. Currently we are in September month, right? So September month only system will allow. That also we need to do like open and close period. System will not understand like which is September, which is August month. So always we need to make decision, and then we need to make it, and then we need to open it posting period to post the transaction in current month instead of previous month and future month. That is a concept. Okay, posting period related one we need to discuss, and then we need to configure all posting period related concept also. Next one is a document type. So again here document type, SAP has provided document 2-digit alphanumeric where we can post the transaction by using document type related, FI, GL related, asset related, AP related, or AR related. It's a all by considering by referring document type, system will understand so and so document is related to vendor posting, so and so document type is for customer posting. Those details we need to mention, along with we need to maintain the number range also. So here document number range we need to mention, maintain the for document type. Also account type that can be posted. Like whenever you have a document type, every document type is assigned or linked between account type also. Account type is a single digit alphanumeric, which is a system will to understand whether it is a customer, vendor, or asset accounting purpose. SAP has maintained predefined account types are provided. Those account types we will consider and we will post accordingly. And then next, applying the vendor net procedure. If any discount, if any tax calculation are there, then we need to apply the net process also. Net procedure concept also we need to process. That also we need to discuss. Account type, like there are like 5 account types are which SAP already provided, like A asset, A related all asset account type, material related account type also provided, customer related, vendor related, general ledger account types are there. These account types no need to configure, just we need to utilize, and then we need to understand which is a account type is applicable for asset, which is for material, which is for customer, we need to understand. And the number range is correspond to company code and fiscal year. The basically number range is nothing but it's a when you generate any posting or any invoice posting, definitely system will generate one invoice number. That invoice number predefined in SAP system will generate and it will print on invoice copy. So if you go for any shopping or anywhere, you will receive one invoice copy, right? That invoice copy consists of all the detailed information along with invoice number also. So based on invoice number only, we can track all the details. That also can be generated in document number ranges. Hello?
Yes.
Okay. I just got a small sound. That's what I just want to check with you. That's it. Okay, now no disturbance. Yeah. Okay, next one is posting key. So again, we know like a finance basically debit and credit concept. What is debit? What is credit? Debit means positive, credit means negative. So we know what is debit, what is credit based on accounting principle. But system will not understand what is debit, what is credit. So that is the reason here SAP has provided a posting keys, which is a 2-character numeric key that controls account type, debit, credit posting, layout of entry screen. Like by considering posting key itself, system will understand which is are we going to debit or credit. Like 40-50 posting keys are there. 40 is debit, 50 is credit. If you consider 40, then it will post to debit entry, positive entry. If you consider 50, it will consider a negative entry. So also account type. Again, account types, which I already told you, there are 5 account types are there: assets, material, customer, vendor, GL account. These are all account types that related to all detailed information we need to discuss. Field status group. So here, status mainly like when you do entry or when you create anything, some fields will display, some fields will display as a mandatory, some fields display as an optional entry. So depending on client requirement, we need to set it up. So like which field is mandatory, which field is optional, field is suppressed. Like if you want to do posting, like when you do the transaction posting, there are 200, more than 200 screens you can see one single transaction posting. If you maintain all the fields are mandatory, then to post one transaction, it will take more than 1 hour. So where is the speed up? Again, it is an issue. So that is a SAP has a provided concept which is called field status group, where we can suppress required or optional. Some like whatever required field we can make it a required entry, and which is not required then we will make it optional or we can make it suppressed also. That also we can discuss in system, like how we can set up field status group and how we can apply it to specific entry. And then we will discuss about document option. So document options, we have a SAP has provided the following document options, like simulation option. Simulation is nothing but before posting we can simulate, and if it is everything is okay, then we can post it. Also one more option, park means like you want to post one transaction. While posting transaction you missing some information, then you don't want to cancel that transaction, simply you will park for some time until you receive a correct information or until you receive detailed information. For the time being, you can park the document. Once you receive it, then you can post it. And then reverse. Again, SAP has provided reverse concept. Sometimes users may do the mistakes. Like users may post wrong entry. If once document is posted, you cannot cancel it, you cannot delete it. Only option which SAP provided, reverse. You can reverse it by using this reversal option. Open and cleared items. So here open and cleared related concept. Again, open means like a due item. All the due item will display as a open item. All the paid items will display as a cleared item. There is a report. When you execute the report, you can understand which item is open, like which item is due and which item is paid for vendors. Like suppose if you want to see like any vendor open items are there or any customer open items are there. Customer open items, if any customer open items are there, definitely we need someone will follow and will try to collect the open item, due item amount. That process also we can see in the report level, like what is open item, what is cleared item. This will discuss in detailed in SAP system itself, so that you will understand when we discuss about in SAP system. And then check lot. Here SAP has provided, instead of giving manual check, like suppose if you want to, if you are something, if you want to pay some amount to someone, definitely you need to pay by check, by cash, by transfer. Either any one option you can do to make the payment. So also SAP has provided by paying by cash, by check, by transfer also. By setting up, by doing configuration, by doing all the customization, we can do payment also to the vendors, either cash, either check or transfer process also can be done in SAP. Next one is a dunning. So dunning also we will discuss. Mostly dunning is for reminder to the customer for their outstanding. See, like when you doing business, definitely business has to give some open item or due item or credit payment, credit sales also to be done. If you are doing credit sales, definitely you may expect amount after 45 days or 30 days, like depending on person to person, you will provide the due item. Some person they will get it due 30 days, some person they will get 45 days, some person they will get discount also for paying in time. That also we can discuss in detail in SAP. And the dunning also, it's a customer reminder, like we can send a letters, like which is like you mostly like you can see the credit card related statements. You receive a credit card statement. In the credit card statement you can see the detailed information. So and so due item is there, can you please make the payment, and then so and so date, so and so specific date we will mention. The similar way, we can generate dunning letters and then we can send it. Also, the other also, and one more option here, we can send a dunning first letter, second letter, and third letter, legal letter also we can generate from SAP system by using dunning concept. Okay, next financial accounting related. Here, financial accounting and controlling are two separate set of books, and SAP divide organization accounting into internal and external viewpoint of view. So finance is external, CO is internal purpose. So financial accounting represents external accounting perspective. Financial statements required for external reporting purpose, example balance sheet and P&L statements, are extracted from created in FI. So finance is to generate the legal reporting. Example balance sheet and like profit and loss statement. Next one, controlling. So controlling mainly for internal reporting purpose we use controlling. Internal accounting perspective like manager reporting. Controlling is nothing but it's a manager reports, management report. Something if they want to take any decision, then they go for controlling reports. So SAP FI components, financial accounting application components, the following sub-components are available. Basically, like we will discuss daily, like we will take one topic. First, we will discuss about FIGL and then FIAP, FIR, FI asset accounting, and then we will move on to controlling again. In controlling area, same CO, cost element, CO, cost center, CO profit center, CO internal order. These are all we will discuss in CO components. Basically, FI we will cover first once because FI is a main source for a CO. CO always depending on FI only because CO directive will not post anything. Always it will be considered from FI level. So this is the maybe I think we will close this for today demo and then we'll continue from tomorrow onwards. And by the time just get the all SAP related access. Once you get the access, because it's a PPT, you can get it. You can refer also. Mainly we need to discuss about SAP, like how we can navigate, how we can do the configuration, how we can do the customization. All these things we need to discuss in SAP itself. So PPT, maybe I'll forward it to you. Maybe if you have any doubt, you can refer and you can come back to me tomorrow. Can I
Okay.
have your mail ID, please? You ping
Yes.
me mail ID?
My mail is Sandeep,
No, I'll ping you.
SAN.
One minute. I'll ping you. Just ping me your mail ID.
Oh, okay.
You receive my ping?
Yeah.
Also, have you received SAP related access and all, or still not yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Get the SAP access as soon as possible because SAP access is a very important thing. If you don't get like a SAP access again, discussing PPT will not help much. Okay.
Yeah. Did you receive my message?
Yeah, I received it. I received it.
Okay.
I'll send it to you. So for now, maybe I think we'll wind up the session. From tomorrow onwards. We'll take and we'll try to do it in right away in ASAP itself.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And these sessions, I'm not sure. Uh, it's set up for
Record.
every day, or
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is
just the
every day.
weekdays? Okay.
No, it's a setup for every day. It
Okay.
is for every day.
Okay. Okay.
You need a weekday or weekends? Daily, right?
I'm not sure. It wasn't me that
Okay.
actually set it up, so.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay for weekday or weekends, whatever you comfortable. Then we can do that. That's not any problem. If once you are comfortable, like a weekend or weekday, so that we can finalize and we can continue. But anyhow, tomorrow you will be available. So if you need any like clarification, is it a daily or weekly? You can check with Tej or Vijay. right?
Okay.
Mostly you
Yeah.
are coordinating with Vijay, right? Vijay or Tej?
Mostly through Vijay, I think.
Okay, yeah, you can connect with him, and then they will confirm you whether, as per your convenient, we can go for either weekdays or weekends.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Sandeep. Bye
Thank you.
bye. Again, we'll
Yeah.
connect tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Same to you.